Good morning. It has been a while since I've done my morning walks, and also vlogging outside. Still feels a bit uncomfortable here and there. But I am glad that during the challenge of the 30-day upload on YouTube, I came across different channels that kind of do the same thing as me, such as people such as Terry Creates, Julian Rolland, It's Just Storm, Luis Hermosillo, and in my opinion, those people are really inspiring other people to just create. Nowadays, all you need is your phone. Of course, you can get like an extra camera or something like that, but it's not necessary. But it's inspiring, it's motivating. So here I am again. Yesterday, I was on Instagram and I came across a channel that was about old school music. And I really felt this positive energy because I've always loved music. And then I thought to myself, I have to make a video about this topic. Not really about music, but about running towards things that give you energy. Whenever you get an idea, you get this positive vibe from something you're doing. Of course, something that is morally correct and stuff like that. Go for that thing, go after that thing, keep pushing, keep doing it because it helps you. It helps you to perhaps become a better version of yourself, a better person. If you go into something traumatic or painful, it can also help you heal. And I think a lot of people forget that, the importance of being creative or do things that kind of give you energy because we live in a society where all our time is being consumed by work, things that are mandatory, and I think this is one of the reasons people burn out because they never get the chance to do what they actually love to do. And I think when you do that, you just lose connection with yourself. And it's important to be creative, in my opinion. But I just wanted to say that. So if you're contemplating whether or not you should start recording, it might be in the comfort of your living room. Just do it, man. I think you can only benefit from it. And nothing wrong with that. You never know where it can take you. So it is beautiful outside. It's nice weather and early. This is what I love. When everybody's sleeping, I'm outside. Even though I see people walking, it feels a bit awkward, but hey, it is what it is. The world or the city is still sleeping. At least a part of the city, and it's pretty much quiet outside, so I love that. Alright, so I am back inside. I actually forgot how amazing it feels to record outside. Still have to get used to people walking by, but you know what, nobody really cares, I said this in previous videos too. I also managed to record some b-roll, the sun coming up, so amazing. The beautiful thing about content creation, or one of the beautiful things I must say, is that this is your project, man. You can go into whatever direction you please. You can create whatever you want, and if you're lucky or persistent, you get people to follow you along, on this journey, and that is amazing. It's easy. It's anybody can do it, and it's just a matter of getting on your comfort zone because I sometimes wonder, why do we like comfort so much? Like, it's easier to just record in your living room, which is totally fine, by the way, but sometimes to add a little bit more oomph into your videos, it's good to record outside. You get different environment, birds chirping and stuff like that, and it makes it a bit more maybe engaging. But either way, the most important thing is that you start, even if it is just sitting on your couch and talking. Just walking and talking about a certain topic, sometimes it asks a lot of people, especially people who are new to this content creation thing. So yeah, anyway, it's amazing. I feel good. I feel happy that I actually did it. I'm gonna be honest with you, again, I had to fight off that inside voice telling me not to do it because, like I said, we love comfort. I love comfort, I guess, and if you want to challenge yourself, you have to go past that comfort zone. Anyway, I want to thank you if you made it this far. Thank you for your time, and as usual, I'll see you in the next one.